welcome to the channel. Today I'm showing you guys how to create YouTube shorts. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It is your girl Moya with Baddies in the Bag, and today I'm going to be showing you guys something that a lot of people have been asking me about so many times: how to create or how to edit, whatever, how to create your shorts. Okay, before we get into it, let's read a positive quote. Our positive quote for today is: there's so much to look forward to. So it doesn't matter what you're going through in life, just remember that, girl, you don't know what the future holds. Okay, you don't know what the future holds. You don't know what could be out there for you. You don't know what could happen tomorrow. You don't know what could happen 5 minutes later, 10 minutes later, 12 minutes later, 11, 12, or 30, 1 hour, whatever. You don't know. You don't know. So look forward to good things and just keep positive things in your mind. So when it comes on to YouTube shorts, I do edit YouTube shorts on my phone. I prefer to use my phone because I feel like it's easier to use to edit shorts. When I edit my videos for YouTube, I edit those on my laptop, but when I edit the shorts, I definitely do that on my phone because it's easier. I go real faster on my phone. You can do this two ways. You can either make shorts separately, like I don't know how you do it, dedicate a certain time of the day or dedicate some time to make some shorts, or you can take your videos that you record and post on your channel, you can turn those into shorter clips and turn those into shorts, which is what I do because it's more time. It saves me more time and it saves me from double recording. That's another way. Or you can have two tripods. So you can have your camera right here recording what you're doing while you're recording your YouTube videos, and you can have another tripod, which I do have, where you can put your phone on and record just the same. So it's all up to you what method you want to use. Me, I use both or all three methods sometimes, but the one that I mostly use is making shorter clips out of my YouTube videos. That's how I do my shorts. So first things first, the app I do use to record my shorts, I use CapCut. I don't think you need a subscription. I think you could just use CapCut without a subscription. I think there's a free version to it. It's just that you have to use the free stuff. If you want to use the stuff that are for the pro version, then you know you have to pay for that. So we're going to CapCut, right? And you're going to hit new project, and you're going to pick on the video that you want to turn into a short. So I have this video here. I'm going to use this one. So my video is already turned into the size of the short. If you are doing the YouTube videos, you have to rotate those first before you import them to CapCut. Or I don't know if CapCut could rotate them, but what I do is I rotate them first in my gallery. So I'll go to the video. So my daughter is with me, so if you guys hear in the background, y'all know what it is. So I'll go to the video that I want to use and I'll hit edit. If you hit this thing right here and hit that one up there, it rotates it. So I rotate it to however way I want it to be, which I want it to be a long way, and my hands on this side. So you rotate it to whatever you want. The size, so it could be the size of YouTube shorts or TikTok or whatever. And then we're gonna go into CapCut. Once you upload it to CapCut, you're gonna mute it because we're not gonna use the original sound of the video. So you're gonna mute it. What I do here is I basically just scroll through and see what parts of the video I want. So if I want this part where I am playing with the money, I'll hit split, tap the edge part, delete it, and I'll just use this part. And remember, these are short clips, so you need them to be under a minute or sometimes under 30 seconds. So my shorts, I kind of keep them short. They always range between either in the teens or in the 20s, sometimes 30s, but you want to keep them short. You're just going to scroll through and pick out whatever clips you want to use. No, I like this better. So see how I like that better? I'll just split, delete the first one, and it will start from there. So go through the video and see what parts you want to use into the short. If I want it, say I want to put the positive quotes in there, I'll put the positive quote part. So when you play it, it looks like this. It's just gonna jump from what to what. So whatever you're editing it out, it's gonna jump from that to whatever the next clip is. So now let's get to some action. So this is me telling people about my low income budgeting book. So I'm just going to go through each page, split, go on the other page, split, delete, split, delete. So basically you're just going to go through your video, split and delete parts that you don't want to be in the video and include parts that you want to be in the video. Split, delete out parts that I want, parts that I don't want, blah blah blah. Say I want some money counting, I'm gonna scroll to the money counting. So it starts here. We could split, we could delete that whole part, make it a little bit more intricate. Okay, you can also speed it up. So if you look right here, you have speed. You can touch the clip that you want to speed up, touch speed, normal, and bring it to whatever speed you want it to go, and it will speed it up. See? Or slow it down, whatever you want to do. Always at the end of CapCut, there's this little black video that they put there to, like, it's an ad for them. I normally just delete that because I don't want that at the end of my videos. So once you have the clip that you want to use, I use voiceovers. So you can go into audio, voiceover at the head right here. You're gonna click voiceover, and once you tap this, it starts to record your voice. Hey guys, it's me again, da 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 da, yada yada yada. Pause. And if you play it back, hey guys, it's me again, da 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 da, yada yada yada. So I use voiceovers for my shorts. So you can do voiceovers if you want to, or you can add sounds. In the bottom here it says sounds. You can pick sounds, trending sounds, vlog, whatever. You can add a sound from here, but be careful with that. I don't know if it's gonna deem it as copyright, so be careful with where you add the sounds from. But you can add sounds, you can extract sounds, you can export sounds, whatever you want to do. But I do voiceover like I just showed y'all. Then after that, after I do the voiceover, so let's see. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm showing you guys how to create YouTube shorts. So I'm just gonna use that, right? Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm showing you guys how to create YouTube shorts. Now you can also edit your voice. So you touch on the voice that you just recorded. You could turn the volume down if you want. You could turn the volume up a little bit more if you want. You can go into voice effects. You can add an effect on your voice. Hey guys, welcome. When you add the effects, it's good to like turn them down. So listen to this. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm showing you. Listen to this. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today you can do noise reduction, I think. Where is it? Yes, you can reduce the noise. I'm showing you guys how to create YouTube shorts. You can edit your voice. Now I love to add text to my shorts, so I will go into text. So I get out of the voice record, and now we're going into text. Once you hit text, Leia, once you hit text, you go in there and you hit auto caption. It's going to auto caption your voiceover. So whatever your voice is saying is going to make a caption. So some of the times if you guys see my captions and something is misspelled, or you know, it's another word there instead of another word, and that's what should have been there, it's just because I be rushing and I be using the auto captions, and it just be writing whatever it wants to write. So sometimes you have to go over like the video and make sure everything was spelled correctly, because it's captioning off of what your voiceover said, and it depends on if you have an accent. You might pronounce something differently and it might take it for another word. So that's why you want to go back in and make sure that everything is spelled correctly. So we're gonna do voiceover and start. Once you hit start, it's gonna start to like edit your voiceover to where it goes with what the text goes with what you're saying. So this is how it is. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm showing you guys how to create YouTube shorts. See, so we have the text going with what we're saying. Now if you touch on the text, if there's a word that you need to correct, you could touch on the text and you can press edit. You can edit the word to be the correct word in which you want. After we add text, I don't like the plain white text, so I normally edit my text. So you could edit. So you see, you could choose a style. Say for example, I want effects. You could choose effects. You can add effects to the text. You could change the font. I normally use, I use multiple fonts. So once you change the effects and fonts however you want, you're going to hit animate, because you just don't want it to be like a line going across the screen. I mean, if you're good with a line going across the screen, you can leave it like that, but me, I'm not. So I animate my text. I go into caption once I hit animate, and I will use like the little pop-up where it's just popping up. Hey guys, welcome to the see how it just pops up each time I speak. And today I'm showing you guys how to create YouTube shorts. So that's how I do my shorts. And to top it off, I just add a cover. So you can add a cover. So I'll go to cover and I'll pick wherever. This is a good cover with all the cash out like that. That's fine. You go into cover and you're gonna add text and say like how to create. If you want to do different style text, you just come out like add text twice. YouTube shorts. So you see how I added text twice? That way I can make them different. So how to create, I'm going to edit that. I'm going to add an effect. Say I want it to be a bubble. You see? And then YouTube shorts, say I want that to be the color red because that's YouTube. But I want to add an effect to it, so I want it to kind of stand out. You can make the stroke thicker, you can make the stroke skinnier. You kind of just have to play with it. You can change the font. So say font English. You can make it bigger. See how to create YouTube shorts. You could make it smaller. You could do whatever you want. You could add like, there's a bunch of text in there actually. So once you do this, you add a text to the beginning of your short and you're gonna press save. And that's basically it. And you just export it. And once you export it, you're good to go. My daughter just wanna be in the video today, y'all. So now we go into the gallery and it's there. How to create YouTube shorts. Guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm showing you guys how to create YouTube shorts. See? So that's it, y'all. That's how I create my shorts. I hope that I was able to help y'all, because you know I want to see all of us win. I want us to all win, okay? So I'm not scared to share my tactics and things that I do, because it'll be lovely to see other people win. So I'm not scared to share this with y'all. But that's how I make my shorts, y'all, and I hope that I was able to help you guys out. I hope that I was clear, and I hope that you guys learned something from the video today. Thank you guys so much for watching the video, and I will see y'all in the next video.
I used to work the day away. I figured I could maybe pave a way. No, it's niggas that count.